Okay, we will start this tutorial with writing simple hello world program, and with the time gradually we will keep adding new topics with as the time passes. So let us learn just few things at a time. Let us start it. So welcome to my tutorial. So in this lecture we will start with a simple hello world program in Verilog, and with this we will start Verilog programming for digital design, and as the time passes we will slowly build up our knowledge. We will keep adding uh, small things to our programming skills, so every minute, so that we can gradually build up our knowledge base in this programming language. Also we will learn a few things about the digital design, and and we will reflect the design into a language. So let us start. We will start writing a simple program now. So what you have to do, go to web browser, open, type here eda playground.com. So this is a free online simulation tool available for you guys. With this tool you can actually practice your Verilog and system Verilog skills, and you don't need to go to any professional website. Sorry, you need not go any professional training institute to learn. If you follow me religiously, I can help you to build a professional level knowledge in this language. So let us start. Now this EDA playground is open. Go here, select language. System Verilog is already selected. Don't select in that UVM, OVM, select none. Libraries, we will skip that for now. Go to the tool. Now select tool. Here we will select Mentor Questa. Rest of the settings we will keep as it is. We will not select anything right now here. This part will skip to the later part. Now we will write a simple uh, hello world program in Verilog. So every Verilog code starts with the word module. So module basically it is an instance, or it is your design. So if you want to design a counter, so you have to write a module counter like this, for example. So because we are not developing counter right now, we will simply skip this part and we will give our module name hello underscore world. Fine, and we will keep under semicolon, and we will end the module. So every module ends with keyword end module. So in between, your code lies here in between the module and end module. So in the module and end module, if your whatever the process that are running will be lies inside initial begin end. So initial is a loop. Basically every time you run module, the module will run the code inside initial statement. So whatever the code inside this particular statement will run. So we will write our code here. We'll give some time till #10 nanoseconds, because our time scale is in 1 nanosecond. So we are giving it 10 nanosecond here. Now I will write a code $display hello Verilog. And again we will give some time delay of 10 nanoseconds. Right now our code is ready. So let me revise you once again. So every Verilog code will be between module or end module, right? So that is the first thing to remember. And then because you want to run some processes, all those processes will come inside initial block. Remember this initial block, and this initial block contains begin and end. Whatever the code between begin and end will run, because it is run with the initial block. So remember this code, and now we will run this code. Okay, we have run this code. Let us see what is the output. So here is the output. So here is the output, hello world. With this we have finished our introduction to the hello world Verilog, and with this we have set up our environment. Now we can add anything in between this and test our code. We will see in coming lectures one by one. So thank you for following this.